Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use the DRSB app. First, ensure you have downloaded the DRSB app from your preferred app store. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account using your email or log in if you are a returning user. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard, which provides an overview of your activities and quick access to essential functions. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Now, let's dive into the core features. You can easily update your personal details by tapping on your profile icon and selecting Settings. If you're looking for something specific, the search bar at the top is incredibly helpful. Pay attention to the main navigation tabs, usually located at the bottom or side, as these are your gateways to different sections like Home, Messages, or Reports. Each tab serves a distinct purpose for managing your tasks. Performing tasks within DRSB is straightforward. To submit a new request, simply locate the New Request button, often a plus sign, and fill out the required fields. You can then monitor the progress of your submissions in the My Requests or History section. If you need assistance or want to collaborate, the in-app messaging feature allows you to communicate directly with support or other relevant users, ensuring quick resolutions. To make your experience even smoother, here are a few tips. Always check the in-app help section or FAQ for quick answers to common questions. Keeping your DRSB app updated to the latest version ensures you have access to all new features and bug fixes. If you encounter any persistent issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support through the app's dedicated contact option. They are there to help you.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.